Finna get this tire sensor put on here, man. Ooh, that bitch sound good, man. Over at the tire store. Gotta get that rear tire. So let's see, man. It be dying out. I gotta tell my boy Jason what's going on where it be dying out. He might know what's going on with it. Yep.
For the channel right quick.
Man.
We go ahead and do it.
Hey man, the sensor be going out. It be like, I don't know, it be like dying, like idle and stuff. I don't know what that is.
The tire sensor?
No. The clutch. Yeah.
You need me to teach you how to drive it?
No, it's not that. It's, I don't know. It'd be idling weird and shit when I come to a stop, and they'll cut off. That's the only thing I know that mechanically. Like I said, it's this rear back tire though. But that's a good look, bro. That orange really do it for you, bro.
They call me Tropicana.
Man, so we try to install this big piece on there. Got something stuck under there. This section, the roof section, the hood section. So he told me that the sun would be good for it. I'm trying to get some of these bubbles and stuff out. But for the most part, I think it looked halfway decent. Did discover it was a bunch of flaws right here. And a bunch of touch-up paint, and I even chipped one in the corners, but it's all good. I disturbed a lot of the glue on here. But it's all good though. I need to pop the hood and just try to wrap that in. But anyways, I'm over here at BACA Performance. As you can see, we got a lot of horsepower over here. He said something went wrong with this motor. He needs a new motor in this one. And this is a 6-speed GT350. I don't know what year it is, but this one probably be for sale. Man. Got the old school Mustang. We gotta show it some love too. It's manual too. Oh. Wow, we up in the spot, man. Look at this Mustang. This thing clean. There's Mickey Thompson's on the back. Running, what's that, 285/40 R18. So it's 18-inch rim with a 285. That means it's a lot of meat back there. It's a lot of meat back there. That means she chunky in the back end. Remember, look at this vet. Sheesh. The olive green in that joint. He said it's a blueprint motor. He said it's 11-to-1 compression in here. Man, it'd be nice to see what's under that engine bay. Got them brake calipers, slotted and drill rotors. Yeah, that look good. Old school F-150. And this is one of my favorites right here. One of these new F-150s, the 4x4 single cab. He said this one got 700 horsepower and it's got a Whipple on it. Woo-wee! That boy got some power over here, man.
Which one?
You on my YouTube channel now, man.
Oh, nice.
What you gonna tell them people, man? Come over here to BACA Performance, they wanna go fast?
Yeah, man. Fix up all the Fords.
Mostly Fords.
Mostly Fords.
So all the Coyotes.
Everything from suspension, exhaust, superchargers, everything, man.
Yeah. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what we can come up with now. I got somebody that know what they doing. You got them wheels on this thing. The shop clean. I like that. The setup. You know what I mean? That setup clean. Yep. So we're finna drop Mrs.Tropicana out for a few days, and I'll give y'all an update. Y'all stay tuned. Man, so as everyone knows, I'm always having something going on with my cars, my four-wheeler. So this vlog was mostly about the Mustang. Man, it was just one thing after another with this car. It was acting real crazy, throwing all kinds of sensors. I went to a mechanic shop, staying high, spent a lot of money, well over $600, somewhere around that way, give or take. Don't have nothing bad to say about them. But when I came to pick the car up, the lights were still on. He had told me what the problem was, but his price was way too high for me to to finish the repairs. I already paid $600-700 for him just to put some plugs, do like some little map cleanup sensors. But I realized that he's a performance shop. He just wanted to go fast stuff. I found this guy named BACA Performance, which my friend Jeremy referred me to. Shout out to my boy Jeremy. Shout out to Frank, Mustang Frank. He got me all the way right. But I had one little situation that I still need to fix, and I'm currently over here at the tire store in Saginaw. I'm gonna flip it on around. I'm gonna show y'all the problem, and then we're gonna get the solution. So y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, man, you gotta find a shop that can work with your budget. And that was the thing where after he told me, that's why I said I don't have no hard feelings, because I was able to get my car. I feel like I overpaid, but I just wanted to spread the business away, because I just don't want to burn no bridges in case I ever have to go back to staying high. But most likely I won't be going back, because I just can't afford to do what I need to do with the car. But y'all stay tuned. Yeah. All right, so I'm pulling the clutch in, start it up. As y'all can see, it got the tire pressure sensor right there, and it's showing on the left rear tire. So, yep. I'm gonna go ahead and get that fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and see what my guys can give me, and they can get it done for me. As always, I'm at the Saginaw tire store, like I was saying earlier. So, yeah, man, this is what they do. Let's see. It's windy as hell out here today, but let me go over here and see what they talking about. Oh, my little big looking good, man.